In this part, I am going to discuss how to add that means surprise message card into this website. So there on the particular birthday date, it will show a card with the surprise message. On other days, it's not going to show that message. Okay, first I'm going to create we'll add the comment here. I'm going to name this as a birthday card surprise. Then we can add the division with the ID. We'll use ID as birthday card wrapper. Then I'm going to use style as none later, but for now I will keep it as a displayed one. By using JS, we'll change that one later. Okay, so inside the division, I'm going to give ID name as a birthday card. Class name will be card content. Then I will add h1 tag, happy birthday. You can add any message here. Okay, so then we can put some message. So that message will be shown here. Right, so that's it. After that, I'm going to add some balloon animation. So the balloons, I'm going to use division with the class name balloon b1, b2, okay, that's it. So we have 4 balloons, and we'll use JavaScript and CSS to animate that things also. Right, so let's add our style. For that, I'm going to move into styles.css file. Then not style for surprise card. Then we'll use ID birthday card. Then width will be 100% and maximum width will be, I'm going to use 600px. Margin left and right will be 40px. Top and bottom will be auto. Padding again 40px, 20px. Linear gradient 135 degree. We'll use color FF9A CB. Offer will be hidden. Zero 0.4 will be RGBA color. Then I'm going to do animation also. Animation name will be glow for 3 seconds, is in out, infinite, and also alternate. Right, so let's add animation also. For this one, we'll change the color like this. So that's fine. You can see colors are changing. Then after h1 tag, we can add some style. Okay, we got square bracket here by mistake. Margin bottom will be 20 px. Okay, so now you can see h1 tag also change the size, and we can style p tag also. Font size I'm going to make 1.2. That's fine. Okay, we'll keep this thing. Now we have this birthday card also. Okay, now next thing is here I'm going to change this into display none, right? Right, by using JavaScript we will enable this on the particular birthday, right? So we can use JavaScript for that part. So card only on birthday. Then we can put if condition document.get element id birthday style.display block. Okay, let's see the id. id is what? Birthday card wrapper. Okay, so today is her birthday, because of that message is shown, right? And also here you can see happy birthday message will be there. For the anniversary we have 7 days, kind of things will be shown here. So that's I want to discuss in this section. In the next section we will move into the gallery image part.